Hi guys, this is Adityanand and in this video tutorial series, we will be discussing VRA automation. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the first tutorial where we will introduce you to the wonderful world of VRA automation. So the first question that comes to mind is, what is VRA automation or VRA in that regard? Well, the answer is VRA is a cloud management platform. Now, you must be confused as to what in the world is a cloud management platform. In an enterprise environment, you can have hundreds or thousands of virtual machines running on different cloud platforms that are provided by multiple vendors. Now, if you had to manage the virtual machines hosted on any of these platforms, you must access the portal of that particular platform. But what if there was a way that we could manage all our machines on different platforms from a single centralized location? Just log into your CMP portal and manage all your machines easily. So basically, you use VMware vRealize automation to create and manage a multi-vendor, multi-platform cloud infrastructure. That is exactly what VRA is, and much more. The vRealize automation sits on top of a software-defined data center, which shifts the management from process to policy. The software-defined data center requires policy-based automation and a common management platform across the entire infrastructure. The logical design of a data center includes compute, storage, network, and cloud management platform components. VMware offers products that can fill each of these required roles of the software-defined data center. vRealize automation unites all these other components to create an automated cloud infrastructure. There are multiple benefits associated with VRA, which include self-service portal, multi-vendor, multi-platform support, unified cloud management, accelerated service delivery, governance and compliance, and of course, multi-tier application delivery. Let us spend some time understanding each of these benefits. First up, we have self-service portal. Imagine an e-commerce site where you can request to buy items according to your needs. You add an item to your cart and then check out. Your bill depends upon the service or the item that you requested. VRA offers a similar portal with a simple user interface, which comprises of a catalog where you can request for services as per your needs. Now, these items can be a request for provisioning a virtual machine, or it can be a custom service request. But there is a catch. You can only see items that the VRA admin wants you to see. That is, the items that you are entitled to see. Remember that the view of the self-service portal completely depends on the roles that you have. The view can be different for each user based on the entitlements and the roles associated with that user. This is done so as to implement role-based access control to ensure that the users stick to the scope of their roles. Now let's talk about multi-vendor and multi-platform support of vRealize automation. Despite being a VMware product, the VMware vRealize automation is not limited to working with VMware platforms. Machines can be provisioned in different platforms from different vendors while still adhering to the compliance and restrictions on that particular platform. Third point we have in benefits associated with vRealize automation is unified cloud management, which you probably should already have an idea about from our time spent on understanding the CMP layer. That is, VRA provides a single centralized portal to manage all your virtual machines across all platforms and vendors. Okay, after unified cloud management, the next item on our plate is accelerated service delivery. The thing is, VRA enables end users to request, provision, and manage items on demand based on the defined policies. It also allows us to decide as much or as little administrative interferences as we would like. For example, in a traditional environment, you needed to take permission of each and every admin involved to add a single web server to your infra. But now, you can automate these IT administration tasks by sending automatic notification to admins involved and thus providing accelerated service delivery. Governance and compliance is a pretty self-explanatory term. VRA ensures that the users comply to the defined policies while also allowing us to govern them by defining the specified policies. As for multi-tier application delivery, this capability addresses the application delivery and allows us to rapidly deploy and manage complex multi-tier applications. Now, these applications are deployed in a ready-to-use state for the user that has requested the application service. This concludes all we wanted to say in our introductory video on VRA automation. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.